Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your verification code is not received on Pioneer. So how can you fix that issue? Now, if you're doing any kind of transaction and you're not able to receive any code, or if you're trying to log in and you're not able to receive the code either on your mobile device or your phone number or email, so you're facing the issue. So how can you fix that? Now, first of all, go to Google and search this Pioneer support on the Google. And once you search Pioneer support, scroll down and you will see this website of Pioneer, pioneer.customerhelp.com. So just go to this website, supporthome.com. And once you go to this website, so inside the website, you'll see multiple options related to what problem are you facing. Either it is related to your withdraw or your account login or whatever problem you're facing. So make sure to go inside this section, which is called my Pioneer account. And inside my Pioneer account, just go into logging in or security issues. Once you go inside logging in and security issues, so you will see multiple options. Like the first is registration, the second problem is logging in security issues, and like you can see they have given some kind of help section as well inside this. So like how can you fix that? But if you already have tried and it is still not working, scroll down and just click on contact us. And once you click on contact us, they will take you to this page like contact customer care, live chat, or send a message. Just click on send a message, select your language, your name, your email address, last name, like account, like what is happening to your account. I can't receive my verification code. Now you can just write down your question or mention the phone number, like I'm not able to receive my code on this phone number. Kindly help me update this phone number. Or you can just also write down this new phone number that you want to use. You can just also attach some screenshot for better proof that you're not able to receive any kind of code. Clear the captcha and click on submit. And after that, your mail will be sent to the customer care of Pioneer, and hopefully they will contact you like within 24 to 48 hours and solve your problem. Make sure that you contact them within like 5 working days, which is Monday to Friday. So make sure to contact them, and hopefully they will be able to solve your problem. So that is how you can fix that.